Good morning students, good morning to all of you. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the introduction about involutes and its applications. Introduction about involutes and its applications. This is unit 1 class 13. So in this class we are going to discuss about these three topics. So they are: first we should know the definition of the involute. First we should know the definition of the involute. Second topic is types of involutes. Third one, practical applications of involutes. So these are the three topics we are going to discuss about. We are going to discuss in this session. So let us see first definition of the involute. First, let us see the definition of the involute. How can we define involute? How can we define involute? See here in this diagram. So consider this is a cylindrical drum. This is a cylindrical drum. So it is um, uh, wounded by the thread or string, whatever it is. So that thread is unwinding. We are unwinding the thread from the cylindrical drum. So then it forms one type of curve that is called involute. That is called involute. Okay. So how can we define define involute? Means involute is a single curved line traced out by the end of string. Involute is a single curved line traced out by an end of string when unwound itself from the straight line or circle or polygon. So here the one condition is there, that is the thread should be being kept tight. The thread should be kept at tight position. So that is a condition. So here in this diagram, so this is a cylindrical drum. This cylindrical drum is wounded by the thread or string, whatever it is. So we are unwinding this thread from the cylindrical drum. So like this, we are unwinding the thread from the cylindrical drum. So it forms a curve. It forms a curve. So this curve is called involute. This curve is called involute. Okay. So once again listen. Involute is a single curved line traced out by an end of string when unwound itself from the straight line or circle or polygon. So here is one condition: the string or thread, whatever it is, being kept tight. So then we whatever the curve we get, that is called involute. I hope you understand. And this is another definition of the involute. So example, coil is unwinding from the drum or cylindrical drum. So like this. This is a cylindrical drum. So we are unwinding the thread or string from the cylindrical drum or tubular object. Okay. So I hope you understand the definition of the involute. So let us see next types of involutes. Types of involutes. So there are many types of involutes, but we will see only 4 types of involutes in this class. So they are square involute, triangular involute, pentagon involute, and the circular involute. Okay, so these are the involutes. So square involute. So after constructing the square involute, it will appear like this. See, this is a square involute. So this is a square object. So if you unwinding the thread from the square object, so it forms square involute. Forms square involute. This is the final answer. So I will explain next class. So just listen. So this is a square involute, and second one is triangular involute. See, this is a triangular involute. So this is a triangular object. So we are unwinding the thread from the triangular object. So then it forms triangular involute. So this is a triangular involute shape. Okay. Next, pentagon involute or circle involute. Sorry. So this is a circle involute. After constructing the circle involute, it will appear like this. So next last one, pentagon involute. Pentagon involute will be like this. Okay. Just observe these images. Okay. Next, we will see practical applications of involutes. Practical applications of involutes. See, involute of a circle is used as teeth profile of gear wheel. So generally, these involute shapes are used for designing the gear tooth profiles. So like this, this is a gear tooth profile. So if you want to design these gear tooth profiles, so we need involute shapes. Okay, involute gear design. Okay, so these are the practical applications. So next, so practical applications of involutes application. The involutes of the curve have many applications in the industries or business gear industries. So to make the teeth for two revolving machines and gears. Okay, and scroll compressing and gas compressing units. We will use these involute shapes in scroll compressing and gas compressing units. So these are made in this shape to reduce noise and to make them efficient. So these are the practical applications. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you so much.